Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Calum Scott here, if you ever change your mind. So a great song from Calum Scott. So let's start with this one. We need to have the capo here on 2nd fret. And we have 5 different chords to go over. So let's start first with the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And we have E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. The final chord is the B minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. That means 5 strings from bottom and up. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so we have this chord progression that goes on in the song very often here. It's G, B minor, A, and then an E minor. And I'm gonna show you how to play that either in the strumming or we can use it in different ways with a melody. But this one starts like we just mentioned, the intro, just 1 down for G, 1 down for B minor, 1 down for A, and then we have this E minor. And for this song here, it's a piano based song, so it goes like this. Alright, so it's a mix of the E minor and kind of D with F sharp in the bass, something like this. I will call this the E minor medley in this tutorial. And how you do that is you play the E minor here with open E in the bass together with the open G. Then 2 times on 4th fret D string. And then comes this transition to the D/F sharp in the bass. You play that on the 2nd fret E string in the bass together with open G. Then 2nd G, and finally 3rd B. Okay, so that part that we just mentioned here for the E minor, I will call that the E minor melody. Okay, so let's go over it a little bit quick again. Open E in the bass together with open G. Then 2 times on 4th fret D string. Then 2nd fret on the E string in the bass together with open G. Then the 2nd fret G string, and 3rd fret B string. So the intro will be like this: G, B minor, A, and then the E minor melody. Alright, and that takes us to the first verse. We have just 1 down for each chord. So you will play and continue the same chord progression there. G, B minor, A, and then you just play the E minor melody for this one. So, and then you go over that 1 more time. So 2 rounds of that is the first verse. Right, that takes us to the pre-chorus. I pulled away cause the pain's too strong. That's where we are in the lyrics. You will play the same chord progression here. Instead of just 1 down, you play 4 down. So B minor, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. And here I will suggest you to play still the E melody, E minor melody. So alright, You can choose to play 4 downs on E minor as well. It's up to you. You play in that way for 2 rounds. So 2 rounds of 4 downs per chord. Okay? And that is the pre-chorus. And that takes us to the first chorus. All right, so for the choruses, I would suggest that you skip this E minor medley and just play the strumming. All right, so the strumming for this one starts with down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, like this. Down, clap, down, clap. That is one strumming round. So you go over the same chords here. B minor, A, and here E minor with strumming. You play this chord progression round with this strumming for 2 rounds, but we're still in the chorus because this will be about 3 rounds. So 2 rounds of the down, clap, down, down, clap, and 1 strumming pattern for each chord. On the 3rd round, we will learn a new strumming pattern, and this new strumming pattern will be the pattern that you will use for the other courses that comes right after this one. So the new strumming pattern will be like this. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap. Okay, and it goes G, B minor, A, and on the last chords they will be the E minor and D. You just do 1 down. And that ends the first chorus. So just to repeat everything here, you will do 2 rounds of the chord progression here with down, clap, down, down, clap. So down, clap, down, clap. 2 rounds of that. Okay, and after these 2 rounds, you will play the next strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern will be the one you will use for the other choruses, and that will be down, clap, down, up, down, clap. You will play this strumming pattern here for the G, the B minor, and A, and then you will end just with 1 down, E minor, and 1 down on D. Okay, that takes us to the second verse, and for this second verse, you will use the strumming pattern that we had in the chorus we just learned, but the first one, so the down, clap, down, down, clap. So okay, and for the E minor, we can choose to play the melody or continue the strumming. So still the same chords, G, B minor, A, and E minor. So that is how you play the second verse, and you will do that for 2 rounds. So 2 rounds of this chord progression. And on E minor, either melody or the strumming. And that takes us to the second chorus. And for this one, you will use the strumming pattern that we talked about before, the down, clap, down, up, down, clap. You will play this for 3 chord progression rounds, but in the 3rd round, instead of just doing the E minor, we will just play like we ended the last chorus, 1 down on E minor and 1 down on D. Okay, and we have a second pre-chorus now. I'll pull away because the pain is too strong. That's where we are in the lyrics. You will play 4 downs for each chord. So G minor, same chord progression, A, and here I will suggest you to play the melody for E minor. Okay, so you play that for 2 rounds, right? And that takes us to another chorus, the last one, and that will be the strumming we are used to play now for the chorus, the down, clap, down, up, down, clap. So, sorry, E minor, A, and E minor. Continues like this. And a final round. E minor, A, and E minor, D, 1 down. And we have a final outro. This one is played in the same way as the intro, so that means G, B minor, A, and then the E minor medley. And it ends with a beautiful D. So that covers Calum Scott's If You Ever Change Your Mind. So thank you for watching. See you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and play tuned.